Hello, in front of me I've got FC26. In this video I'll show you how to start Rival in Ultimate Team. In the beginning, let's go to Ultimate Team mode and go to Play. Enter Competitive and go to Rivals. Now, play Rivals matches to earn points and unlock weekly rewards. Higher you climb in the division, the better the prizes. Your points can be also used towards Champions Access. Here we can find weekly rewards and division rewards. Press X to start playing. Now, you can edit lineup, manage transferred market and club. Then simply start playing and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.